Smiggle smartwatch thanks to my mom that got it for me. And so this smartwatch that you can measure how many steps you take, how many hours you sleep, and it can also monitor your heart. And if you work out, there's also a workout thingy over here. So let's unbox this. Okay, so first, this is from Smiggle if you wanna buy it. And second of all, I'm not patient, so let's just unbox this. Woo! So this is the smartwatch. You see it? It's a snitch. Not I forgot the character's name. Don't care, please. Oh, and this is the charger. I've never seen a charger that looks like this. So yeah, I've never ever seen a charger that looks like this. So I'm gonna figure out how to do this charger. So bye.